Hi, I'm Tim Scott, Senator from South Carolina. This week on Patriots Day, a day that celebrates the beginning of our country's journey towards freedom, a horrific tragedy occurred. The Boston Marathon bombing has left all of us with a heavy heart, and we pray for the victims and their families. However, while the perpetrators of this act of terror hoped they could shake the confidence of a city, they have instead only strengthened the resolve of our nation. This became apparent immediately as first responders ran towards unknown dangers. These amazing Americans, some of whom charged through fences and barricades, put their own lives on the line to help others. We are so thankful for these women and men who on a daily basis sacrifice for our nation. They are our friends, our family, our neighbors. Join me in praying for them and the victims of this tragedy, the victims' families and their support systems. To those who would attack America or our citizens, let me say this: there is no corner on earth, no hiding place in America that will keep us from finding you. The leaders of this country will do everything in our power to bring justice for the family and communities impacted. Our freedom is our most precious possession. Any effort to take it away will only strengthen our determination. Because the greatness of America is not seen during times of prosperity, but is crystallized by how we respond to challenges. We will stand strong. We will stand united, and we will stand together for Boston. Thank you, and God bless America.